Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create our very first AI agent completely for free using n8n. First of all, let's take a look at n8n. We know this is a platform that allows us to automate different actions. In this case, we'll have the option to start for free. If we click here, it will ask us to enter some information like our name, our company email, confirm that email, create a password, and a username. This username will define our subdomain at app.nan.cloud. Once that's ready, we click to start the 14-day free trial. Now, once we log into our NAA account, we'll see this the main dashboard. What we're going to do is click on Create Workflow. That will open our main workspace. The first things we'll do is click Add First Step. Here we'll generate an initial trigger. In this case, it's going to be a chat message trigger. Let's click on that. And now, if we go back to the Canva, we'll see our chat here. Obviously, if we type something now, nothing happens yet. It's just outputs exactly what we type. So what do? We click on the little plus icon, and from here we go into the AI section. Inside, we'll see the AI agent node. Let's click on it. Now we have this panel where we can configure the parameters for our AI agent. As you can see, we can add a chat model, a memory, and many tools as we need to use. So let's go ahead and add a chat model. Clicking here gives us a list of all of the models we can work with. As you can see, we have Anthropic, Azure, AWS, Google, DeepSeek, Llama, OpenRuler, and OpenAI. In this example, we're going to use Google Gemini. So we select Google Gemini chat model and it gets added. Now, let's go over to the Google AI Studio. Here in the lower left corner, we'll find the option to get a API key. Click there, then create API key, search for a project, select it, and create the app. Of course, this API key must be kept private and secure. We never share it. Once it's created, copy it. Now let's go back to the NAA. Under select credential, we'll have a new credential. Here, where it says API key, we paste the one we just generated in Google AI Studio. After pasting it, click Save, and the system will automatically test it. If everything's worked, we go back to the beginning, return to our chat, and try again. Let's type hello. As you can see, now we get a real response from Google Gemini. Notice how it shows in green when it's successful. At this point, we already have our connection set up. We can also add memory. If we go into the memory section, we'll see that n8n allows us to connect different databases for memory, either a sample building memory for beginners or more advanced options like MongoDB, Postgres, and so on. For this demo, let's use assembled memory so things stays dynamic. Once it's added, our Gemini model will be connected with the memory. What happens now if we go back to the chat? For example, let's ask a question, get a reply, and then type, I'm good, how about you? As you can see, the entire conversation is now stored inside the n8n's memory. This means the agent is able to remember previous iterations instead of starting fresh every single time. Here in the mapping section, we can clearly see all of the details of the workflow, the action that was executed, the input message that we provide, and the output that was generated by the AI. This is really useful because it allows us to trace exactly how the agent is responding and even debug if something doesn't work as expected. On top of that, the stored data can be visualized in different ways. You can see it in a simple schema exported as JSON for developers or even integrated with external database if you want more advanced setups. Besides memory, we can also add tools, for example, call tools, HTTP request tools, vector tools, or even more AI agents like Anthropic and many others. In this case, let's add the Wikipedia tool. We click and it's now available. Let's ask the agent to look up computers on Wikipedia. After hitting enter, it processes the request, retrieves the information, and gives us the results directly in the chat. As you can see, it works smoothly. And that's really just the beginning. With this AI agent in ANA, the possibilities go way beyond a simple demo. You can combine it with other large language models, connected with external apps, integrated into business workflows, or even make it respond automatically to customers' questions. You could link it with database, automate reports, or plug it into tools like Slack, Notion, or Google Drive. But for now, this was just a basic walkthrough of how to create your very first AI agent inside n8n. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next tutorial.